Hey guys, this is CTV Maxer with my updated bike check. I got some new parts over my birthday, and I took some old parts from my Eastern that are a lot better than what came stock on the bike. Starting off at the frame, I still have the stock Subrosa frame, chrome. Front wheel is relatively new. It's a Eastern classic front hub and at least to a Kinlan rim with a Tioga Street Block front tire and stock forks, stock headset, stem. I'm due to get a new stem maybe this week, maybe a Primo Annihilator or S&M XLT. Comment on what you think I should get. Any suggestions? Chief, get out of here. I still have the stock bars. I mean, I had the chance to put different ones on, but I kind of like these. Animal wing grips and animal plastic bar ends that cost me $7. And over here we have, in the middle, we have Eastern Nomad cranks that are very nice. I kind of feel like profiles, and they're just really nice. Odyssey twisted plastic PC pedals. I've ridden these for so long, and they're just the best pedals, so I really recommend these. Shadow Conspiracy seat and post combo. And over here we have a Animal Sprocky Balboa 23 tooth sprocket. Stock chain that I don't really care about. Over here we have a Eastern bidirectional cassette hub with at least to a Kinlan rim. And we have another Tioga Street Block tire. That's about it. Oh, I forgot to say the pegs. I have a ramp peg in the back and a Odyssey in the front. Yeah, and that's about it. I haven't weighed it yet, but I'll get back to you guys and let you know. And, oh yeah, if you want to hear what the cassette hub sounds like. That's what it sounds like. Leave a comment saying, if you liked it or not, and tell me what you want me to review next. So, I'll get to it. And thanks for watching, guys.